Hello students, in today's session of laws of motion, class 11 physics, further basic concepts will be cleared through illustrations. Illustration being taken from JEE Main previous year questions. In earlier session, we have gone through these 7 numbers, very basic sessions on these topics. Through illustrations, basics are clear, which you can review on YouTube channel sethiswiftlearn. In addition to this, in this case, illustrations are taken from JEE Main PYQs. इसी के साथ साथ और बताना चाहूंगा कि नीट 2025 वीक्स डिटेल्ड सॉल्यूशन अवेलेबल ऑन वेबसाइट sethiswiftlearn.com. JEE Main 2025 maths paper detailed solution available on website sethiswiftlearn.com. And also NEET 2025 physics paper detailed solution available on YouTube channel sethiswiftlearn, which you can visit there and have the solution. Going to be very, very important as additional information formulas are given in these things. Right now, इसी के साथ साथ one thing more. These are the playlists which covers all the topics helpful for NEET, JEE, 11th standard, 12th standard and other entrance examinations, which can review on YouTube channel sethiswiftlearn. इसी के साथ साथ मैं और रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल sethiswiftlearn सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question and concepts. Question is, a block of mass 1 kg moving along axis with speed v I equal to 10 meter per second enters a rough region ranging from x equal to 0.1 meter to x equal to 1.9 meter. The retarding force acting on the block is in the range of minus kx Newton, where k is the spring constant, its value is 10 Newton per meter. The final speed of the block as it crosses through region is, we have to find the final speed, right? Now in this case, we have to find final speed. To find final speed, to find out initial speed is known, means x is their acceleration. You know, acceleration equal to a equal to dv by v into dv by dx or dv by dt. In this case, we will use this expression because v dv integration concept will be there. A will be equal to f by m equal to v dv by dx. Then v dv equal to f by m dx. v dv, that is f is given to minus kx, that is 10x, 10 divided by x, 10 divided by mass is 1 kg into kx dx v dv, integrating vi vf, 1 by 2 v square by and vi vf, that is equal to minus 10. In this case, limits are given to you 0.1, 1.9, 0.1, 1.9. On simplification, we get 1 by 2 x square 1.9 का square minus 0.1 का square, that is 1 by 2 v square. Initial velocity is given to you 10. Vf square minus 10 का square, that is 5. 1.9 plus 0.1 and 1.9 minus 0.1, that is 5 into 2 into 1.8. That comes out to be 1 by 2 into Vf square minus 100. Right? On simplification, Vf we get 8 meter per second. On 8 meter per second. Simple calculation is now pending. You can solve it and find the, on simplification we get 8 meter per second. B is the correct answer. Basic concept was here v dvx equal to acceleration equal to v. So A equal to v dv by dx, integration concepts. If mathematical expression is there and integration term will be used and terms are in multiplication. And when in division we have to use differentiation. Right? Next question. Question is, an object with mass 500 gram moves along x-axis with speed 4 root x meter per second. The force acting on the object is, four options are given to, one of the options is correct. Question is taken from JEE Main 2025. Concept applicable in solution. We have to find force. फोर्स के लिए क्या क्या एक्सप्रेशन है, m into a होता है, m into a, right? And another in terms of momentum, rate of change of momentum is this one, and a is written as basic formula is rate of change of velocity in terms of a v dv by dx. Mass is given to you. Then therefore, as v equal to 4 root x, v square equal to 4 square into x, that is 16x. Differentiating with respect to x. 2v dv by dx equal to 16 into 1, that is 16. Therefore, v dv by dx equal to 16 by 8, 16 by 2, that is 8 meter per second square. This is the acceleration. Therefore, force equal to m into a. m into a 500 gram, 500 kg में convert कर दिया into a, that is 4 Newton. That is the force acting on it. Let's check the answer. D is the correct answer. Right? Next question. Question is, a massless spring gets elongated by amount x1 under the tension 5 Newton. This elongation is x2 under the tension 7 Newton. For the elongation 5x1 minus 2x2, the tension of the string will be, 4 options are given to, one of the options is correct. Its answer can be given orally within 10 seconds. But I will first clear the concept applicable in this case. You know, according to Hooke's law, F proportional to X, that is F equal to Ax. K is known as a spring constant. Right? Now, one is 5 and 7. 5 Newton K x1 7 Newton, K x2. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. To find tension for the elongation of 5x1 minus 2x2, 5x1 minus 2x2. Let T be the elongation, right? T proportional to that is K, because we are using the same spring, K will be same, 5x1 minus twice x2. Using equation 1 and 2, K 5 into 5 by K minus twice, that is 7 by K. K cancelled, 25 by 14, that is 11 Newton. This is the answer, right? 11 Newton, that is B is the answer. Now, how early can it be given to you? 5 into x1. x1 is 5 minus 2 into x7. K से K cancel हो जाएगा, 25 minus 14, that is 11. That's our answer can be given orally also. But I have cleared the basic concepts applicable in this case. Right? Next question.
Before start of the next question, I would like to say that these concept clearing videos for the purpose of 11th standard, 12th standard, state boards, CBSE board, JEE Main, JEE Advanced, NEET, CUET, and other entrance examination. These concept clearing videos are very helpful and useful, which you can review on YouTube channel sethiswiftlearn. In addition to this, I would like to say that these papers, complete video of sessions are available on sethiswiftlearn YouTube channel, which you can review on sethiswiftlearn. In addition to this, further, these papers, detailed solution with additional information available on website sethiswiftlearn.com. You can visit the site and have the solution. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल sethiswiftlearn सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question.
Question is, a balloon and its content having mass m is moving up with an acceleration of a. The mass that must be released from the content so that the balloon starts moving up with an acceleration 3a will be. 4 options are given to you. One of the options is correct. Question is taken from JEE Main 2025. Concept applicable solution. Free body diagram. Free body diagram में क्या net force equal to mass of body under consideration into acceleration of that body, right? In this case, this is balloon, certain force is being applied to weight. This is acceleration. This is the concept. यानी कि F minus weight equal to mass into acceleration. This is the concept applicable. In the first case one is F minus mg equal to m into a. Direction of F comes out to be ma plus mg. This is equation 1. Case 2. Let m be mass m small m be released the balance of mass will be m minus m. So F minus m into G equal to m minus m into A. That is F equal to m minus m G plus m minus m into, this is 3A. This is equation 2. On solving 1 and 2, now equating 1 and 2, F की वैल्यू इधर से आई ma plus mg equal to, this will come out to mg minus mg minus mg plus 3ma minus 3ma, right? This mg goes. Now नेगेटिव टर्म इधर शिफ्ट कर दी हमने, ये आ गया m कॉमन आ गया, g प्लस 3 आ गया इक्वल टू, ये वाली टर्म इधर ले आए 3ma माइनस 2ma, 3ma माइनस ma, तो ये कम आ गया 2ma, तो स्मॉल m comes out to twice ma upon g plus 3. This much mass is to be removed from the balloon so that it start accelerating with acceleration 3a upward. Let's check the answer. C is the correct answer. Right? Next question. Question is, the length of the light string is 1.4 meter when the tension on it is 5 Newton. If the length tension increases to 7 Newton, the length of the string is 1.56 meter. Original length of the string is. Question is very simple, can be solved in one line, but I will clear the concepts further first. Now, according to Hooke's law, F is proportional to X, that is extension in the string, right? Let L not be the initial length of the string, that is original length. You can say original length. Then length is 1.4, the extension क्या हुआ फर्स्ट केस में, F equal to kx, k is a spring constant, 5 and 7, 5 equal to kx, एक्सटेंशन कितना हुआ 1.4 minus initial length, and 7k 1.56 minus, this is the extension. Final length minus initial length, that is the extension. Final length minus initial length, that is the extension. This is equation 2, this is equation 3. 2 divided by 3, we get 5 by 7 equal to 1.4 minus L naught, 1.56 minus L naught. Now, on simplification, L is not equal to 1 meter. 1 meter or 1 centimeter. 1 meter. Initial length is, original length of this is 1 meter. That is 1 meter is the answer. Right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, sethiswiftlearn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept clearing videos. Thank you.